Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about Cardano, one of your favorite altcoins, has finally begun to do something. Cardano has been very boring lately. It hasn't been moving a whole lot, but the last 24 hours, we've seen a 30-cent, not percent, 30-cent jump on ADA, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you why an even bigger rally might be right around the corner. Up to $3 coming in the next week. We're going to talk about all of that and more, so make sure you stay tuned. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Guys, as you can see, Cardano has had a relatively boring couple of months here. For 66 days, it corrected over $1, down 37%. But the last couple of days have been very bullish for Cardano. We rallied all the way from $2.02 to a local high of about $2.38, and currently we're sitting at $2.31. Cardano rallied 35 cents in just over a day, and this has led to some major changes on its oscillators. Take a look down here on the MACD on the daily chart. ADA has actually had a bullish MACD cross come into play, and essentially what that means is that Cardano is potentially going to be moving into a pretty big uptrend. And it makes sense that it's done that because there are several different levels of resistance that Cardano was contending with. One of the big ones was sitting right here around $2.05. That is a level that we had consistently bounced off of for the better part of 2 months. We fell below it, but now we've managed to get back up above it after breaking bullish out of this ascending triangle pattern that you can see right here. In doing so, we've actually set a new higher high because our recent high was at $2.30. We actually managed to rally all the way up to $2.38. The reason this is significant is because for Cardano to go into a new uptrend, it needs to set higher highs, it needs to set higher lows. Well, that's exactly what it is doing. So we're very happy to see that Cardano is moving in the right direction. But if we take a look at one of my favorite technical indicators, in fact, it is my favorite technical indicator, Lux Algo, we can see that just today, a strong buy signal has come in on Lux Algo, and on top of that, we've breached straight through the EQ cloud, which typically would serve as resistance in a scenario like this. Two good things here. Number one, strong buy signal obviously means we're going to have some strong buying pressure. We saw a similar signal, a sell signal come in that called this downtrend, and a buy signal come in that called this uptrend. Lux Algo, by the way, its buy and sell signals have been absolutely amazing during this market. Just take a look at how great those have been. But as I always say, you can't just use the buy and sell signals. You need to look at other parts of the indicator. For example, the trend catcher. I want to see this trend catcher turn green. As you can see, it's been green in the past, and I like to use the green as a confirmation of the buy signal, or the buy signal slash sell signal as a confirmation of the trend catcher changing color. I want to see this change to green before I get too excited based on Lux Algo. But on top of that, there is another indicator to look at in the Lux Algo package, and that is the Lux Oscillator. One of the things I look for is Lux Oscillator bottoming out and curving to the upside. We've actually seen that happen ever since November the 2nd, which was giving us an inclination that we might be about to see some bullish action on Cardano. That's what we've seen, and right now, as of today, it looks like we're about to cross bullish above the zero line on Lux Oscillator. Very good sign. Pretty much what Lux Algo and the rest of my analysis is telling me is that Cardano is getting set up for a pretty major run. But looking down here on the 4-hourly chart, there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of, and that has to do with the fact that Cardano has rallied very far, very quickly. If we take a look at the TD sequential and at Lux Algo at the exact same time, you can see that we are overextended on the TD sequential. Taking Lux Algo off for a second here, you can see we're several candlesticks beyond a 9 flash. But looking at Lux Algo here, we can also see that we're deep into the reversal zones. Pretty much what that is telling us is, it's telling us two different things. Number one, Cardano is very bullish, hence it being able to rally so deep into those reversal zones. But two, the bulls probably need a little bit of time to catch their breath. I'm not saying that there's going to be a giant correction, but we could see a little bit of consolidation up here, maybe a small correction over the next couple of days, maybe down to 220, 225, somewhere in there. But I do think in general we're going to see a very bullish next 7 to 14 days on Cardano. I think it's going to be a great couple of weeks, and I honestly think by the end of this month, we could see Cardano pushing up towards major levels of resistance, like, for example, $2.80, which is the previous local level of resistance, even all the way back up to all-time high, which is at $3.11 by the end of November. Just being honest with you guys, if Bitcoin rallies 50% in the rest of the month like we think it's going to, it would make a lot of sense for Cardano to rally 30% back up to its all-time high. So I ask you this question, and then we'll wrap it out. Do you think that Cardano is going to hit $3 by the end of the month? It's a really simple question. I think that there is a better likelihood that it will than it won't. I think it's probably a 60 to 70% chance that it will hit $3. But I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are we going going to see Cardano hit $3 this month, the month of November, or not? Is it going to take a little bit longer for it to rally all the way back up there? Are we finally out of this big, boring downtrend that we've been in for the last 2.5 months? I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. And by the way, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button. Let's see if we can't get to 2,500 likes again. Thank you guys so very much for all of your support there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're about to pass 200K subs. We may have even done it by the time this video goes out. Thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed. It's been a long journey. In fact, a week from today is the 4th birthday of the channel, so it's pretty cool that this is happening right now. And also make sure to follow me over on Twitter at CryptoJebb. We just passed 30,000 followers over there. Thank you to all of you guys. I'm constantly posting updates. As soon as Bitcoin broke all-time high last night, I posted an update over there. If you want to be up to the minute on what's going on in crypto, my Twitter is one of the best places to find out about all of that. Also, by the way, Lux Algo, the package that I just used here, the Lux Algo indicator package I just used, you can get 20% off with coupon code Jebb, J-E-B-B, with a link in the description box down below. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good feeling.